Hello guys, this is Mandy from Zhejiang Shanghai Leisure Products Company. Summer is coming and we will go to beach for our holidays. This is our hot selling wedding chair, and this chair is very nice. You can see it's very hot color, right? And this chair is wedding chair, and it's very quickly dry, and it's very breathable. Also, it's very compact size. You can see it's very easy to take it out. For this chair, it's cheap because the frame is steel, but you can see it's very comfortable when you sit in this chair with the grip armrest. Okay, for this chair, if you like it, please contact with us. We also have many other items similar as this one. We will show you more information about them. Please contact us. Okay, bye bye.